Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can make DIY diyas. So before any further delay, let's get started. Take a cardboard piece, cut two circles from the cardboard and join them using glue. Make diya shape design. Apply glue and then take paper mache and start making the diyas. And guys, if you want to watch paper mache making video, do let me know in the comment below. After making the diyas, now take white cement and mix it with water and add little glue. Then start applying this mixture in the diyas. Apply this white cement mixture in the cardboard. By applying the cement mixture, your diyas will be strong and it will be waterproof and fireproof. Now let it dry for 2 to 3 days. Now apply any color of your choice in your diyas. Now take a ring shaped cardboard piece and a round shaped cardboard piece. Then paint this. I am joining these pieces using hot glue. Now I am making beads using paper mache. I am taking a lace and attaching it in the diya board. Now I am attaching these beads in my diya board. I am making little more design using white pearl. Now I am attaching the remaining paper mache beads in the lower cardboard base. I am attaching some latkan beads in the diya board. Now this is optional. You can also use tassels in place of these latkans. Now I am making little designs in the diyas. and here is the final look. So guys, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and for more videos subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.